Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the plugin format and installing it where Logic expects it. Download the O or compatible installer, then run it with admin privileges so files go into /library/audio/plugins/components. Once the installer finishes, quit Logic if it's open. This prevents cache conflicts. Make sure the plugin license and any serials are ready. After installation, restart your Mac, or at least restart Logic to let the system register new audio units before you proceed. Next, you rescan and validate the plugin inside Logic Pro X so it becomes available in projects. Open Preferences and go to the Plugin Manager. Search for your new O and run validation if it's grayed out. If validation fails, relaunch Logic and choose to rescan or clear the O cache and retry. Once validated, enable the plugin and assign it to a plugin slot. If Logic still won't see it, check File Permissions and reinstall the component into the correct folder. Finally, insert the plugin on a channel strip and confirm it behaves as expected. Open the Mixer or Track Inspector, choose Audio FX, then Audio Units, and pick your plugin. Once done, make sure sample rate and bit depth match your session to avoid glitches. If the plugin crashes, reset Logic Preferences, repair File Permissions, or reinstall the O. A key troubleshooting tip: if a plugin isn't loading, validate it in the Plugin Manager and check for a 64-bit or notarization requirement from the vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.